Why should I surprise it?
Just say what you think. Just
No,
give
but what
you're tasting it sort of like when you go to Hakeem and you taste just like you did at restaurant.
So why they were Marlins?
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a steak dinner for my husband. Okay, it's called the Chinese steak. I actually got this recipe from PB&J here on YouTube, so I'm going to leave the link of that video in the description box of this video so you guys can go and see his actual recipe and how he made it, because here today I am going to be tweaking it just a little bit for my specific preference. Now guys, I am in no way a professional cook or anything like that, but I'm just trying, you know, I love to cook and honestly I just like to create things. So today I'm going to be creating this steak dinner for my husband with some mashed potatoes on the side. So if you guys want to see me do that, let's go. Okay guys, so first you want to make sure that you have your steak nice and diced up. Then you want to put it to soak in a little water and salt bath. You're going to just mix that up nice and even and put that on the side so we can get to our potatoes. So yes guys, I'm going to be making some mashed potatoes along with the steak. So first you want to peel it, bam, just like that. I wish it was that easy, but yeah. So then you're going to put that in a pot of water and put that on the stove to boil so we can continue with our steak. You're going to need some sweet peppers and onions, and you just want to cut them up into some big square dices. Put those to the side and grab an empty bowl, and you want to mix in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. And then you're just going to mix that up nice and neat, just like that. Then you want to go ahead and strain out your steak and put it back in a bowl. Then you're going to take that combination you just did and pour it all over the steak. Mix it up. Now in a new pan, you want to pour half cup of beef broth and set your steak in there, and then you're just going to put that on the stove to cook. By this time my potatoes were finished, so let's get back to that. I personally use 1 entire small carnation milk and half a stick of butter. But I mean, you can do whatever you want for this part, you know. It's pretty much to your taste, however you prefer it. So then you just want to mash it. Yeah. Add some salt, some black pepper, and I love using this because it just always tastes really good on everything potato, fries, baked potato, or mashed, any way you like it. So yeah, you just want to mix that all up. I personally love some cilantro, so we'll mix that in too. Some Parmesan cheese, because why not? And then we just mix. Then bam, mashed potatoes are done. So let's go and check on our steak. Looking good. So now we're gonna take the steak out the pan, but don't wash it. Leave the residue in the pan. Then in a separate bowl, you're gonna put 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of beef broth, and 4 tablespoons of ketchup. 2.5 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of flour. Then you just want to mix that up until all the flour dissolves. Now in the pan that has the steak residue, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 can of salsa, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Then you just want to mix that and cook it until the butter melts. Alright, so now we're going to add in all that onion and sweet pepper we cut up earlier. And we're just going to leave that to simmer until it's nice and soft. So now we're just going to lower the fire and add in the steak to cook it all together. Look at that. So just let it cook for a bit on low. After about 5 minutes, you want to add in that steak sauce mixture we made earlier. Yes, ma. That's what I am talking about. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that cook in the sauce for a bit. Now, while I was waiting, I decided to put on some steamed broccoli for the side because, you know, we gotta at least make an attempt to have a balanced meal. Okay, at least we have to at least try. And yes, baby, I did that. Now, not judge my ranch design either. That's a Charlie thing, alright? So yeah, let's head over to my husband to see what he thinks.
Hey guys, what's up? Ashby is here. So today, my wife decided to cook a Valentine dinner for me. And now I sample it and tell them how it tastes. And if you don't know anything about me, and I'll lie to you. If it tastes good, I'll tell you it tastes good. If it don't taste good, well, you know taste. Right, so what we'll eat today? Chinese style steak with mashed potatoes and some steamed vegetables on the side, some broccoli and some carrots and things like that. So okay, dig in and see how this thing tastes. It's soft, some meat pieces in there. Perfect for me. Nice. The steak tender, yeah, nice taste of sweet pepper and it's seasoned very well. Yeah, I like it. And one thing I like about the onion pieces too. I'm a big fan of onion, so it's perfect. Overall, I think it's a very good meal, very well prepared. Hold on, really stepping up in the kitchen, trying her. Yeah, not it. Overall, I enjoy it. Best of everybody. Let's play it out for Valentine's.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make this recipe. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am a singer, but I'm also a mother and a wife. So yeah, follow me on this vlog journey while I take you along to see me do things. Do you have anything else to add, baby? Alright guys, bye! Say bye, baby.